I'm ready, man. I was born ready. I was born the sun on Saturday.
Sinister ways.
I'm gonna stand behind you.
How's the cruise going, Grant?
It's good. Bumpy.
Yeah.
Cool over live? It's going
Looks good though.
Runs like an absolute dream.
Yeah.
And I have AC.
That's it.
All these hot boys with their race cars ain't got no AC. I don't know about that life. I couldn't tell them.
Jackson, how's it going for you?
Fucking hanging out, man.
Car driving good?
Yeah, it is.
Trust me, Grant knows.
Oh yeah.
How's it drive?
Hey, it was good. How was your drive?
No, not bad at all. Car sounds good.
Good. Thank you. It's running flawlessly. Ben's really got it down, and Sean and all the guys at Misfire taking really good care of me. So
awesome.
It's just a bunch of cobbled together parts. Like, such a cool ass car to do it with. Yeah. Yeah, I wanted something different. I didn't realize this would be so hard to work on.
Sinister ways.
Well, he's headed this direction anyway. You're talking about E? Whatever.
E85.
Oh, Craig's.
Does anybody else need gas? Grant, do you need gas? We got 50 or 40 gallons in there.
I'm on E.
You need some?
I'm
Okay.
on E.
David, put some in. We'll take some for this car. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, no problem. Go ahead. I'll get it.
Car doing good?
Oh yeah, real good.
It looks awesome.
Thank you.
Sounds freaking great. That hit you did back by the cemetery was great.
Oh, dude, it runs good.
Yeah,
It's running really
awesome.
good.
Yeah, they call those.
Priscilla, you've been taking the break-in serious.
I am.
Yeah.
Everyone's leaving me behind.
I know. Even I was like, come on. No. That's awesome.
I'm just like, oh.
I'm excited to get that final tune
I know. I
on
was
it.
like,
Heck yes.
yes.
We don't give a It's like me in a minivan at 2K.
He's gonna flip it or lock the motor up because all the oil is gonna run to that side of the head.
The car driving.
Pretty good, man. Can't wait to put that sauce on it.
Oh, dude,
You need
yeah.
to get Ben on that, man.
Very
But
excited.
AC's all good. Everything's nice in this breezy weather.
Yeah,
It's good.
You
It's
and
good.
Priscilla are in purgatory right now.
Oh yeah, I know, man. I know. I'm wanting to get on it around these turns, but I got a little bit of discipline after Sean got onto me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sick.
Oh yeah, dude. It's gonna be sweet, man. I can't wait.
Sinister ways.
Yeah, it's a KOTOR event. It's like King of the Open Road. We go track to track, and we're actually a Subaru shop. So,
Where you at?
Edmond.
Oh, really?
Yeah, come see us sometime. We do like routine maintenance or 1,000 horsepower cars.
You guys got a business card or anything?
I do. Hold on, just a sec.
Hey, you want
That's awesome. I know the Sheldon still. What up?
Well, we made it.
Yes, we did. It's a good time, super hot. Car did amazing. Trying to contemplate if we're going to make a hit tonight or not, or kind of do a one and done deal tomorrow, but I don't know. We're just tired, been up at it since about 5 o'clock this morning, so I don't want to go out and, you know, not be on my A game. So just got the booth set up, got the t-shirts going, got our new design on there. So we're going to hang out a little bit, maybe go watch some of the competition and see how they're doing, and maybe get out of this funk and make an A to B hit. So we'll keep you guys updated.
Sinister ways.
This is, right now, we are in sixth shift.
Stephen follows basic
You should be in 8 and
instructions.
9. Old school, you should be in 6 and 7 and 9, 0 and 4 and 5. That's where you should be.
It's got a broke drive check, we're just going to drive the track. He's in the first one. They are.
Here, I got a winch. Oh no, I don't have a winch. I was gonna. Should I go grab one more and tie up and drive that first?
Misfire Motorsports.
Sinister ways.
I hear you have a buy run?
Our competition didn't show. We are in a good spot right here mentally. So my monkey that's gonna get off my back is gonna be me just driving down the old strip, cruising. So we'll see how it goes. We got a long way to go and I'm feeling good about this. We're off to a good start. So it's hot, sweating, but man, I want to take this home for the Subi guys. Woo!
Really smooth launch. Smooth launch. You take a little bit out the launch control bin. Looked a little bit softer, but really smooth.
Yeah. We're trying to save dips at this point. We've gone into like saving mode.
I'm excited to see the data on the Caltech ECU from that 3.8 60 foot.
We're gonna learn a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot. Uncharted territory for us.
Seriously.
We did a blistering 25.9 at 55 miles an hour. That's getting it.
Still the slowest pass I've ever seen you make.
Hell yeah. What? It was so funny looking over. Everyone's like recording and shit, and I'm like, I'm like, psych.
part of it, Pete.
Damn it.
Yep. Looked like he had him at first. Didn't he?
Man, he was.
We got a little precipitation, I would imagine, before too long.
Take it back. Trying to win like you were, you know. Yeah. It's all good. We'll get it again one day, bro. I'm just happy for you, bro.